As always, with every new OnePlus phone, OnePlus seems to come up with new color variants, and that's exactly what they're doing right now. This is the Thunder Purple, and in today's video, let's unbox it, take a quick look, and give it away. Hey guys, my name's Ash. Okay, actually give 2 units away. Hey guys, my name's Ash, you're watching C4E Tech, and let's get started. If you do end up liking this video, don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon. So now this is the box that the OnePlus 60, the Thunder Purple variant comes in. Pretty similar to what we've seen with the regular OnePlus 60. One difference here, okay, we will get to the difference. Let's just go ahead, open it up. Some ejector tool. Let's remove that plastic. And I've seen the pictures, I actually really did like it. So OnePlus community, a collection of individuals, blah blah blah. I've seen all this, let's set that aside. So this is the Thunder Purple variant, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, the regular stuff over here. Nothing much has changed. Let's open it up. Unlock the speed, yay. So this is, okay, stuck. All right, it's out. Thunder Purple, the in-display fingerprint scanner part, that's covered. And this is some plastic to the back. And more stuff. Designed by OnePlus. It's got, this feels more like a soft glass finish. Kind of like what we'd get at the lower part of the Pixel 3 XL. It kind of feels like that. It's smooth, and we've got the OnePlus logo, we've got the rear cameras and all that. Nothing's really changed except for that color. We've got a pre-applied screen protector, and I kind of like the gradient that they're giving here. Huawei started this trend and brands have been following. Oppo did have a purple variant for their Find X, so makes sense that OnePlus has something similar. So anyway, let's slide on all that. Headphone jack, yay, still not there. Of course it's not going to be there, it's just a color variant. But anyway, turning it on, let's set that aside. And you know, I am titling it an unboxing, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what's in the box, and I really don't expect any surprises. But still, let's go ahead and do that. So unlock the speed. We've got nothing new, really. Some ejector tool, your regular quick start guide kind of stuff. Okay, warning, I'm a flagship killer, warning, I'm a flagship killer. To all those people, every single time I talk about, hey, it's not a flagship killer anymore, people go like, OnePlus did not call themselves a flagship killer. And here's proof, they are calling themselves a flagship killer. Please don't talk to me, my Elliot slider is set to silent. But anyway, I appreciate the stickers. Just a little. So then we've got a case. Let's put that in. Now guys, this is something, you know, I probably should have said it with the OnePlus 60. If you're buying third-party cases, make sure there's this teeny tiny little cut over here on the official OnePlus cases. So here's it. It's a little more subtle here with the red, but that's because the earpiece slit is right up top when you're picking up a third-party case. Just keep that in mind is all. There's an invitation letter, a word from Pete. Yay, that's handwritten. 5 years old and a million stories told, created by you, with you, for you. Let me be the first to welcome you to the OnePlus community. Like you, we are driven by a passion for technology. What sets our tech apart is that we imagine, build, and polish it. Hand in hand with you, we believe your feedback moves us forward. By talking to us online, on our forums, and in person at our meetups, you can play a role in the development and improvement of our products. We hope you'll think of the OnePlus 60 as more than just a phone. Approach it with curious eyes, and we're sure you'll notice some of the many subtle improvements we've made to make this our best flagship yet. Your enthusiasm inspires us to never compromise on ourselves except for that headphone jack, which we were forced to compromise on. We are OnePlus, thank you for making a difference. Okay, I did add a line in between, but then I'm pretty sure you know what I did. But moving on, dash charge, yay. Okay, that's difficult to pull out. So Type-C cable, the regular red one. Talking about the headphone jack, here's a converter. At least that's here in the box, which is pretty cool. And then here's the dash charge adapter. So anyway, let's put all that back in the box. You know why? Because I've got to go back and do all this, because we've got a regional Tamil channel and I've got to unbox it on that. And well, it's just putting everything back in the box. So anyway guys, I just put everything back together. I kind of like how this back looks. It's really smooth. Kind of feels like the white OnePlus 6, the pearl white, I think that's what they called it. It's got that kind of a feel to it, and here's it side by side with my regular black OnePlus 6T. It's gonna be a lot less of a fingerprint magnet. I don't think it's picked up any fingerprints at all. So I think that's something the Thunder Purple variant has going for it. I don't know if it's just me, but ever since I read the name Thunder Purple, this has been running in my head. I'm sorry if I get you to obsess over it as well right now by throwing it up on screen, but anyway, coming back. So it just looks really nice. I kind of like what OnePlus is doing here. There's nothing else that's really changed, but I like the fact that they are coming up with different color options. But here's one thing I don't like about this. It's not available. I understand why they're doing it, but it is not available in the base variant. It's available only with 8 GB of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. So that means you're gonna have to pay 42,000 rupees to get your hands on this one. But you don't have to pay 42,000 rupees. You could still buy the 6128 and kind of make your phone look cool by using a D-brand skin like I am doing here. D-brand has tons of customizations. They've got a lot of different skins and they've got a lot of different options for you to mix and match. Come up with a skin that's entirely unique for you. They are our sponsors for this video. I will leave a link to D-brand in the description below. They do ship internationally, so please do check out the insane number of options that they have to offer on their website, dbrand.com. Check them out. And now let's quickly jump to the giveaway part. So we're going to be giving away not one but two Thunder Purple variants of the OnePlus 6T, the 8128 variants, and it's going to be the same way to enter as always. There'll be a link in the description below. Use that. You will get onto a page that looks like this. All you need to do is ensure you're subscribed to C4eTech, and that's pretty much it. If you want to improve your chances, you can follow me on social media and all. That's pretty self-explanatory. Now this is gonna be an India only giveaway. I am working with OnePlus on this, so it's just a disclaimer there. And this giveaway is gonna run from today till the 7th of December. And before the 9th of December, I will announce the winner via Twitter, YouTube community post, and if you guys want, I'll do it on Facebook as well. Anyway, if you miss out on all of that, you can just use the same link you used to enter to check out who the winner is. And I guess that's it. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on what you felt about this video and the giveaway. Leave a comment if there's something you want to add, and share this video with friends and family if you can. Always appreciated. And also let me know, what do you feel about these kind of unboxings? You know, I've been trying these, going a little different with these. Let me know what you think about them. Your feedback is very important. Every time I make a change, every time I tinker around with something, I'd like to know what you guys feel. And I guess that's it. Thanks a lot. Oh yeah, subscribe if you haven't yet. If you've already subscribed, click that bell icon, turn on notifications. Don't miss out on our content. And thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4eTech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.